Hello guys, welcome back to Good Try Tips. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to download or update Pubg after ban in India, right? So let's get started. So as you know that right now I'm going to show you, I'm going to the Play Store, right? And I'm searching for Pubg at the top. Right now, as you can see that the Pubg is not available here. So now I'm going to show you a step how to download and update Pubg. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and support us, which is very important, right? So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to download a VPN. If you don't have, then you have to search here in the top and you have to go for Turbo VPN, which I suggest. Right here it's already downloaded, so I have to open this. Right now, as you can see that I have opened this, then you have to do the following instructions. You have to cancel this. Right, you have to cancel these two. Right, once you're done with that, now you have to change. Right, as you can see the location, it is usually it used to happen in this way. Now we have to change the country. Right, you have to use the VPN based on US, so that you have to tap here at the top. Right, then you have to go for United States. Right, you have to go for United States. Let's select this. Now you are connecting to the United States VPN, and now we have to, once you are connected to this, as you can see it's just getting time connecting. Once after that, we'll proceed with the next step. So guys, now as you can see that we have connected to the VPN, so it is United States, right? So as you can see at the icon at the top right, it is connected to United States, so you have to get back. So now make sure that all the tabs which you opened recently, you have to close all these things, right? It is very important. You have to make sure that it is already done. Then once done with that, you have to go to the Play Store, right? Once you're done with that, the Play Store, now you have to click at the top left hamburger button. You have to click this. Then you have to go for account, right? You have to go for account. You have to select this, right? Now you have to select this, and as you can see that there is switch to the United States Play Store. To do that, you have to add the credit card or debit card details, right? So you have to make sure before doing that, I just wanted to make you notice. So once you're going to convert this to United States Play Store, then you can't regain it back unless and until it is 1 year. So you're going to take around 1 year, so that only once after that you can get back to the Indian Play Store. So I request when you're trying to do this method, make sure you're trying this with an alternative email ID, Gmail ID, which you have created for yourself, right? So once you make sure both these two things, you have to click on add credit card or debit card. You have to click here, right? Now you have to go to continue option. So here there is one question which is asked, change your Google Play country to United States. You have to go for continue, right? So now they're asking some of the add credit card, debit card numbers. So this is very confidential. So I'm not going to show this part to the viewers and subscribers. Instead, I will be showing you once after that. You have to type the numbers, then you have to go for save. So also make sure that once you're done with this, there will be a deduction of 17 rupees 70 INR from your account. So this will be only happening for the first time, or it won't happen after. There will not be any kind of charges once after that. So what you have to do is you just have to type the numbers and you have to proceed further. So let's move to the further step. So guys, as you can see that I have already added the credit card as well as the debit card. So as you can see that I have already added my number, right? So there is no mandatory that the credit card or debit card should be from United States. You can also do the same, the entire technique using the Indian debit card or the credit card, right? So you don't have to panic on that. Now you have to give the name United States, and you have to give the proper code, zip code you have to give, right? If you have any kind of doubts, you can search from the Google, right? So here I have already searched and I know the number, so I'm just going to type. You can do the same number itself when you're trying to do the same. So you have to go for 1000001, right? So this is the code. So 10001 is the code, and now you have to go for save, right? You have to go for save here, right? So as you can see, it's getting processed, and once you're done with that, I'm going to show you the next step. Right, so now as you can see that it has been converted successfully. We are successfully converted the Play Store to United States Play Store, right? As you can see that it is done. So now what we're trying to do is we are just going to download the Pubg, which is very entertaining here. So let's search for the Pubg at the top. So now let's go for here at the top, then let's search for the Pubg, right? Now as you can see that the Pubg is enabled. Now from here you can install and you can update the Pubg, right, and you can do anything. So I'm going to show you, just wanted to make you notice that there are tons of videos which will give you the false information, so we don't want to give our subscribers and viewers the same. So guys, that's all about when it comes to how to download or update Pubg, right, using try this VPN method. So that's all about it, and if you find this video really helpful, you have to subscribe our channel, and the support is really intense and we need your support to go or continue further. So any kind of suggestions are most welcome in the comment section so that we can get back to you. And you have any kind of doubts, you have to let us know in the comment section so that we can help you out if you're trying to figure out something in between. So once again, we just wanted to make you guys really helpful, so don't forget to subscribe in between and click on the bell icon for more videos on from the same channel, and that's it. So this is Shahin signing off from Get Your Tips. See you soon, peace out, keep practice social distance, stay safe and be safe.